In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate invoices from Notion databases. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing projects or small business tasks within Notion. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Notion account. Begin by navigating to your connected workspace where you manage your wikis, docs, or projects. This is your central hub in Notion, and it's where we'll embark on creating our invoices. If you're not yet logged in, click on the Login button. Use your credentials to access the home screen, which will be our starting point for organizing all your needs. Once you're on the Notion homepage, direct your attention to the left sidebar and find the Templates option. Clicking on this will open a world of possibilities for various templates. In this section, we're specifically interested in finding a template that suits our invoicing needs. Within the template library, use the search function to look for invoices. This will bring up a selection of invoice templates you can choose from, tailored for various preferences and use cases. Look through the options presented to you. This might be a good moment to consider what your specific requirements are, whether you need a simple layout or something more detailed. After reviewing your choices, select a template that fits your unique needs. When you've made a decision, click on it to explore further details of what that template offers in terms of fields and format. Be sure they're aligned with the information you typically work with, like client name, services offered, prices, and due dates. Once satisfied with your choice, click on the Add button to integrate this template into your workspace. This action sets up the template so you can start customizing it as per your requirements. Now comes the exciting part: adjusting the template to better fit your specifics. Delve into editing by updating the placeholder texts with real data. This includes invoice numbers, descriptions, dates, and any other relevant information that appears on an invoice. Now you're all set to use this invoice template anytime you need to bill someone. The ability to generate invoices straight from your Notion databases means you're effectively consolidating workflow processes, making it easier to manage and retrieve necessary documents. And there you have it, creating invoices directly within Notion in just a few simple steps. Notion offers the flexibility to tailor your workspace to fit a variety of professional needs. And today, we saw just one way it can enhance your operational efficiency. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes to utilize these versatile tools. So keep exploring Notion's capabilities to suit your workflow.